In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can add money to your Stripe balance. So when you're in your Stripe account, you want to select balances, select add to balance. Here, specify the amount that you want to add to your balance, then select next. So this is the information that you'll send the money to in order to have the money deposited to your account. So you want to take note of the account number, the routing number, and the SWIFT code. So if you're sending money from outside of the US, you're going to be using the SWIFT code. So the routing number is typically used for within US transfers. And within 5 business days, your money will be deposited to your Stripe account. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.